corrected worksheet, and we're just going to focus on finding the incenter, which is with the angle bisector. So you're going to take your compass and open it more than halfway, and then just, you could use the same, I mean not more than halfway, but big enough that there's not like an error. You could use the same arc on all three angles, which really makes, you never have to change your compass setting for this. So what I would do, rather than follow along, is just watch. Okay, so I'm going to just put my compass there, and then I'm going to move it to here, and I'm going to switch colors so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to make little arcs now to get the intersection, the middle of that angle, I should say. So that gives me, if I zoom in a little bit, one angle bisector by taking a line and just going through the vertex to the intersection point. So that's one angle bisector. Then you just repeat the process. So I'm going to keep the same setting because it's easy. And pick up the black again. Use that same angle. I'm going to make it here. Now I'm going to use those intersection points. And I guess, oops, it fits over here. So I'm going to just make a little arc there. And then I'm going to put, I have to rotate it. And I'm going to put it here. Does that make sense? And so then I'm going to do that, but then I didn't make the other one long enough, so I have to go back and make it longer. And that happens. So that's where my second angle bisector is. So I'm going to take my line again and go from the intersection point through the vertex. Now if I did this right, the third one should pass through there. So I can still use that same compass setting. So I never have to even change my compass setting for this construction. I could, but I don't have to. And again with that black, same first step. So now I'm going to use those intersection points. And make two arcs that cross with the blue. And those are the angle bisectors that you go through there. And then have a tiny bit of error. And so when I look at this line, I didn't really go through the vertices. So that's the drawback of the smartboard. I can't quite get it perfect. It's just a little hard for me to get it pixeled in the right place. So if this was done perfectly, which is what you guys should be able to do, this would just be one point right here. Okay, so mine's a little off. You want to try to do better than that. Should I keep going? You want to try that?